Hi, my name is Nur Alia binti Muhammad Rukman alias Muhammad Lukman, and today my group members and I consist of Muhammad Alif Daniel, I Nur Zaris, Mahashni Kartikesh, and me Nur Alia will be presenting on the topic of why you should visit Malaysia. So this is our contents for today. At our introduction, I will be presenting on the topic of the diversity of culture and easy access to everywhere. Ain will continue the presentation on amazing food. Alif will continue the presentation on the topic of beaches and rainforest, and Mahashni will conclude the slide with her topic heritage sites and conclusion. Malaysia is a unique country, and what makes Malaysia so fascinating is in its diversity. In the same country, you can explore thriving modern cities, explore colonial architecture, relax on some of the most beautiful beaches on the planet, and hike through lush green jungles. Okay, so the first reason why you should visit Malaysia is because of the diversity of culture. Malaysia is a great place to explore a diversity of culture since its population consists of various ethnics such as indigenous people like Iban, Kadazan Dusun, the people of Sabah and Sarawak, Malays, Chinese, and Indian. So if you visit Malaysia, you can explore different culture practice, such as you can wear our traditional wear like baju kurung, baju Melayu, cheongsam, sari. You can learn our ethnic language such as Tamil, Mandarin, Bahasa. And if you are lucky, if you visit during the festive season, you can also see how we Malaysians celebrate our festivals, such as Chinese New Year, Deepavali, Hari Raya Puasa, and Hari Raya Adha. The second reason would be the easy access to everywhere. If you visit Kuala Lumpur especially, you don't have to worry about moving around because there are many great options of transport to choose from. I have listed down three of the main ways you could walk around the city. And the first option is by walking because all tourist sites around KL are perfectly walkable. We have enough zebra crossing, we have pedestrian streets, so you don't have to worry. If you want to go to KLCC by walking, you can just do that. And second option would be by bus. It is a cheap and affordable alternative, and I must also recommend you to try the hop on hop of bus. It is a double-decker bus with an open rooftop on the second floor, so you can go sightseeing around the major sites of Kuala Lumpur. And we also provide you commentaries in 8 different languages. And the best part about this bus is that you can hop of this bus as many times as you like with the single purchase of ticket. And another great option would be by train. In Kuala Lumpur, we have three railway service provided, which are Rapid KL LRT, KTM Commuter, and KL Monorail. Rapid KL LRT and KTM Commuter provides over 100 stations, while KL Monorail offers another 11 stations, which is circulating around the city area. If you are still confused on how to use this public transport, you can check out this tutorial on how to use public trains in Kuala Lumpur by Nomadic Vietnamese Dude on YouTube. So I will pass this presentation to Ain. Thank you.
The cultural mix of Malaysia means you have fabulous Malay, Indian, and Chinese food here. You will also find most other cuisine in bigger centers, but you will never go wrong with the local flavors. Influences from Chinese, Indian, Thai, Arab, and ethnic Malay cooking give Malaysian food culture a truly unique edge over other national cuisines and will immediately captivate the taste buds. The result is vibrant dishes with richness, spice, succulence, but also freshness. Example of Malaysian cuisine is nasi lemak, roti canai, and dim sum. Most tourists choose to visit Malaysia because of Malaysian food.
Other good places that you guys can visit in Malaysia is their beaches and rainforests. There are 6 examples of islands in Malaysia that you guys can visit. The first one is Sipadan Island, located in Semporna, Sabah. Other unusual species can be found in Sipadan Island. The next one is Marble Island. It takes only 15 minutes by speedboats from the Sipadan Island. The next one is Redang Island, located in Marang, Terengganu, known as Coral Island in Malaysia. The next one is Lang Tengah Island, ideal for someone that enjoy the outdoor or the enjoy participating in aquatic activities. The next one is Pulau Tiga, caused by an earthquake that occurred in Mindanao. The last one is Kapas Island, located in Marang, Terengganu, has the most relaxed and rural atmosphere, which make it the best hideaway for a restful vacation. When we talk about the rainforest, Malaysia has one of the oldest jungles in the world, is Taman Negara. Given that it has been present for 130 million years, so it is likely that dinosaurs formerly lived in the forest. So Taman Negara, which covers an area of 4,343 square kilometers, is one of the Malaysia's top tourist sites. So it is well known for its extensive array of geographical and ecological attractions. This mainly entails viewing wildlife and exploring unusual hiking pathways. For your information, the rainforest is home to more than 200 species of mammals. This biological behavior and habitats of these creatures influence how uncommon a sighting is. For instance, because tigers prefer to live in the jungle and blend in, so you guys cannot spot them easily. In addition, there are around 100 species types of snakes here. So included also the video regarding the oldest rainforest in the world, which is Taman Negara. So I hope you guys can watch it later. Thank you.
Now I'm going to explain about Malaysia of many UNESCO heritage sites. Firstly, I'm going to explain about two cities. That is, firstly is Melaka and Georgetown. Malacca and Georgetown actually illustrate 500 years of culture and trade exchange between East and West. The government buildings, church, squares, and fortifications of Malacca actually demonstrating us the early stage of historical organizing by 15th century of Malay Sultan. That actually followed by Portuguese and Dutch periods of controlling beginning the 16th century. Meanwhile, for the Georgetown, it actually represents us of the British era, the end of 18th century. Okay, we can actually see the both cities actually contributes of the local Malays as well as the Chinese and the South Asian immigrants can be seen. Not only that, we also can see their own evolution threads over time as well. Okay, next I'm going to talk about the Kota Kinabalu Park. Okay, this is established as the one of the first national parks of Malaysia in 1964. Actually, we can see that more than 4,500 species of flora and fauna, which include 326 birds and around 100 mammal species in an 110 land snail species. Okay, this Kota Kinabalu Park actually located in west coast of Sabah. This cover an area of 754 square kilometers. Actually, this park is very popular among the tourists. It became the tourist attraction. For conclusion, we can conclude that Malaysia actually have many reasons you can visit. So what are you waiting for? Just come and give a visit to the Malaysian.